Something slightly different today. I'm going to look at a Ford Cortina Mark III with a friend. You couldn't think of worse weather to go and look at a car. It's absolutely tipping down, but hopefully by the time we get there it might have eased off a bit. Trying to check the paintwork condition of a 50-year-old car in the rain is going to be impossible, let alone actually trying to get under the car in weather like this. We've arrived to look at the Mark III Cortina, and the only Cortina we can see on the drive is this one, which doesn't really look like the immaculate specimen that we were told we'd be coming to see. So we're going to knock at the door and have a look and see if there's something we're missing. Fortunately, the owner has just retrieved the actual car we've come to see, which was under a cover, and has now been shown to us, and is quite as stunning as it was meant to be. It really does look good. It's a two-owner car from 1971, so in 49 years it's only had two owners and has only done 97,000 miles. All driving nicely, car sitting at 60, quite comfortably, so yeah, let's hope we get all the way back. Car made all the way home with no issues. Had some interesting moments with other drivers pulling up alongside and slowing down to look at it, which was quite interesting. Guess people remembering Cortinas from their childhood.